Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Hopefully friends you will be fine. You spend good life. Welcome back my channel at a crochet pattern. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared with you. Beautiful design that's are related to the crochet pattern. Let's come and I shared with you beautiful design. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, let's come and I gain different type of knowledge watching this video, and these ideas that are related to the crochet pattern. These are very beautiful design ideas, and you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. So friend, let's come and I shared with you beautiful design ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. So friend, in this video I shared with you beautiful designs that are very different to each other. So I hope you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. And in this YouTube channel I shared with you beautiful designs that are completely different to each other. So friend, don't forget to subscribe this channel and enjoy my videos. At the last you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. I hope you enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video, and these are very beautiful designs, are completely different to each other. And friend, you like my enjoy ideas. So friend, we will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video which I shared with you in this video. So friend, thank you so much for watching this video at the last which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully you will be enjoying my ideas which I introduce. And friend, next time I will meet you correct. Are very beautiful designs and are completely different to each other. I hope you will begin different type of knowledge criteria. In this video I shared with you beautiful ideas which I shared with you in this video. Beautiful crochet pattern designs in this video I shared, and crochet criteria are very beautiful and luxurious to each other. So friend, you will be enjoying my ideas which I shared with you, and these knowledge criteria are completely different to each other. Hopefully you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video, and inshallah I introduce new and great ideas. Thank you friends. Next time I will introduce new and beautiful design ideas. So friend, take care, and next time I will meet you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and friends, comment what would you like this video.